Okay, good morning everyone. My car, after I park it for 4 days, and when I turn on the car, there's a check engine. So I'm gonna find out what check engine that is. Okay, so follow along, everybody. See, I'm gonna turn it on. I'm gonna start the car. You can see here the check engine still on. Okay, I'm gonna shut it off and hook on a scanner. See what kind of code I have. Okay, let's find out what kind of code do I have. Okay, so the engine turn on, not start but just on. Okay, and let's read code. Store code. So I got P0141 O2 sensor heater circuit bank 1 sensor 2. So that means it's gonna be after the catalytic converter or at the catalytic converter. Okay, so this is a 4-cylinder. So I'm gonna check that out. All right. Okay, there is my O2 sensor. Bang 1 sensor 2 is right behind catalytic converter. So you can see my catalytics here. So I don't know if it's come out easy or not. I'm gonna have to try. Okay. Okay, folks, I changed it. Okay. So this is an older one that came off the car. A shorter one is upstream right here. And that is a downstream, a longer one. I have to cut it. See all small pieces. This is the one that went bad, but I'm gonna go ahead and change that one also. And that's what I use right there, 7/8. Right. Just show you the car's a new one. Yeah, that's a new one I replaced upstream. I know. I didn't videotape it, but I changed it this morning. So I'm going to clear the code, okay? And start the car, see its help. Alright, where's my scanner? I didn't start the car yet. Let me see, check engine still on here. And they said no for now. Because I want to see is the code still there or not. Okay, let's read code. Let's do store code. Code still 1 P0141. Okay, so I'm gonna go clear it out. We got sensor 2 here, circuit sensor 1, bank 1 sensor 2. So let's erase code. Okay, any pending code? No pending code, so let's go. I'm gonna go erase code. Okay, code erase. Store code. Okay, 0. So I'm gonna start the car. Let's see if it's coming up or not. So far so good. So far so good. Thank you for watching, everybody. Bye bye.